Hello everyone, welcome back to the playlist on SPSS. In this video, let us find out how to perform one-way ANOVA in SPSS. So the usual way, just go to analyze, compare means. The last option is one-way ANOVA. So as I have said in one sample t-test, we perform ANOVA when the factor through which we are grouping the variable or the values is greater than 2, or there are more than two categories within the one column on which we are trying to perform t-test. In such case, we go for ANOVA. So if we see in the product category, there are three types of products: TM 195, TM 498, and TM 798. So if I want to perform t-test by grouping on the product column, I need to use ANOVA. As you can see, numerical values are available here. So how can I put product here if it is not available here in this available set of values? So that is where you have to use coding, and I have coded the product column into 1, 2, 3. So I have given TM195 as type 1 and TM498 as type 2 and TM798 as type 3. This 1, 2, 3 values here are not numerical importance, they are categorical, like category 1, category 2 and category 3. So I can give the age, can give the usage, can give the fitness, then miles as dependent list, and product coded is our independent list. And before performing ANOVA, important test to perform is homogeneity test, which tests the variance. Assumed assumption for ANOVA is the variances are equal. So that is being tested using the homogeneity test. You can also give the descriptives, it gives descriptive values. Then just continue. Post hoc, it here select the Tucky test. So in Tucky t test, what happens is it will analyze how inside the groups of products of 1, 2, 3 categories, how are they varying. Like 1 and 2, is there any difference between 1 and 2? Is there any difference between 2 and 3 with respect to these values or these columns? So level of significance is also 0.05. Then click on continue. And in post hoc, if you want, just in post hoc, in contrast, nothing to change over here. So that we are done with the input box, dialog box, then click on OK. So this is just the descriptive values of the age, usage and all with respect to product. These 1, 2, 3 are three types of the product. That is what is here. This is the test of homogeneity and its respective significance level. So this also you can interpret with the respective significances. So once you perform the ANOVA, so you see the significant values over here, and with this you interpret with your own hypothesis. Then this is the Tucky t-test. Tucky test. In the Tucky test, as you can see, within the groups, like for group 1 and group 2, there is no major significance. If at all significance is there, major difference is there, the star will appear in this column. In this column, you'll see the star. The mean difference is significant at the 0.05 level. Since it is not there at any sector, since if you see in age, with respect to 1 and 2, there is no difference. 1 and 3, no difference. If at all there is a difference between 1 and 2, in this line, this 2 will be having star on its right top part. Here it will be having some star, which means between 1 and 2 groups there is a difference. That is what is given down at the bottom. If for here there is no difference, that's why there is no star at any of the entire column. So with this, we are done with ANOVA. In the next video, we'll see how to perform regression. Thank you for watching.